Even if you touch the dustbin a little, it feels like you need to go wash your hands immediately. Keeping this problem in mind, I've picked up my scissors and my cardboard, and I started creating an automated dustbin that will amaze you. Opening the dustbin now. In this world, no one feels like putting their hand in a dustbin. Do you? I've cut the cardboard into a rectangular shape and prepared all the edges with cardboard. To strengthen the base and ensure the stand is stable, I've constructed a truss made of cardboard and glued it to all the edges. Now, you must be seeing that I've glued everything together properly. So initially, I only attached one servo motor. And I tried it by mounting it on the base, but it failed. So now I'm using 2 servo motors and checking their directions with an ultrasonic sensor. And once I succeeded, I started attaching everything to the top of the dustbin. Now I need to extend the length for the ultrasonic sensor. So I'll add an extra wire to increase its length. Because it's important for the sensor to be placed right at the front, where it can easily sense the dust. So I've attached it properly. Now you must be noticing, this time I've used a good power supply, so both servos can run smoothly. I've also glued the wires down so they don't disturb the circuitry, and now I'm connecting them, one by one. In the end, I thought, why not add an LCD on top of it? So I showed the power supply on top, showing you that it's at 4.96 volts. Now I'm powering up the Arduino. As you can see on the screen, it says System Ready. Let's do a full trial. I brought some trash near it, and it opened its mouth. Wow! And it's closing so smoothly. What an amazing piece of coding I've done. It feels like it's operating at the gesture of my hand, but that's not the case. It's running through its sensor. I've also added wheels at the base, and in the next video, I'll show you how to make it wireless. Oh, I forgot to mention, my Ganju is standing at the back. That's my humanoid robot. You'll soon see its video on the channel too. All right, that's enough for now. Let's look at it again. Wow, opening very smoothly. And closing too. Subscribe, like, and share.